How to log into your Binance account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your Binance account. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. You can download this Binance app from either Google Play Store or your App Store if you're using iOS device. Once you download it, you can just open the application, and once you get to your app, this will be your home screen, and on top you will see sign up or login option. You can even tap on the top left corner to sign up or log in. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to the login page. Here you will have to provide your phone number or your email address. So if you have continued with Google, you can continue with it as well. Once you enter your email address, you will have an option to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can always tap on this to recover your password. And once you have entered your password, a verification code will be sent to your email. So I'm just going to open up my email now. So here is the verification code that I have gotten on my email. I'm just going to copy this from here and then paste the Binance app. And now you will be logged into your account. So that's how you easily log into your Binance app. If you found this helpful, I'll see you guys on the next one.